Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove hyperlink in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the cell where you want to remove hyperlink. So after selecting the cells, click the right side of mouse and then scroll down, and here you can see the options of remove hyperlink. So when you will click on remove hyperlink, your hyperlink will be removed. So you can see hyperlink is removed. So if you want to edit hyperlink, so again just click the right side of mouse, so then scroll down, and here you can see edit hyperlink option. So just click on it. So here you can see text to display option. So here you can edit hyperlink. So you can see, so here also write edit, so where you want to edit. So after that click on OK. So you can see this hyperlink is changed. So guys, in this way you can edit hyperlink in Excel. So when you will remove hyperlink by this method, so here is some problem. So when you will again click on that cell where you have removed the hyperlink, and then after editing, so just when you will select enter button, so you can see again hyperlink show. So how to solve these problems? Because sometimes we remove hyperlink, and again when we will edit or select that cells and press enter button, again hyperlink will show. So how to remove these problems? So for removing this problem, so just click on the file options. So after that you can see more options, so just click on it and then click on options. So after that here you can see proofing options, so just click on it, and here you can see auto correct options. So just click on it and then select type options. So when you will click on it, and here you can see internet and network path with hyperlinks, so unselect these options. So after that click on OK. So go back, and here you can see when I will edit and press enter, there the hyperlink will not show again. So guys, in this way you can remove hyperlink and edit hyperlink in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.